Hey friends, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and this is what we're brewing. This time on What We Are Brewing, we are featuring a new roaster, a new coffee, and a new pour-over brewer to check out. And this month we are featuring Proud Hound out of Cincinnati, Ohio, and their coffee, the Nano Genji No. 5. And we'll be brewing with the Hario V60 with the Sibarist fast filters. So let's get to brewing. I have 22 grams of coffee right here that I'm going to be grinding on the EK43S. And I'm going to grind at a 2.5, which is really fine, but you can do that with these fast filters. So I have already rinsed our filter and our water is at 208 degrees. Level that out a little bit. And we are going to do an 80 gram pre-wetting, which is a third of the overall coffee's weight. So let's get up to 80. Okay, and we're gonna let this bloom for about 30 seconds. You'll see how fast that this drawdown is, and that is because of the fast filters. It actually makes your brew time 27 to 40% faster, which is pretty substantial. And that's why you can grind so fine. So now we are at 30 seconds and we're gonna do our second pour to 155 grams. Give that a twirl, get everything all agitated and make sure there's no clumps with the super fine grind. And we're gonna let that run till about 1 minute and 15 seconds. Okay, and we're gonna start our second pour, and we wanna make sure that we are pouring high and slow. The second pour is gonna go up to 250 grams, and we're gonna give that a twirl again. While we are waiting, let's talk about Proud Hound. This is a roaster that we've just recently checked out and we're really loving their coffee and what they stand for. They're really big on dignity for all, and that is just how they treat their employees, their customers, and even the farmers that they get the beans from. And here at 1 minute and 55 seconds, we are going to do our final pour, which will be to 330 grams. One more twirl. This will come to an end at about 3 minutes and 5 seconds is what I've been getting pretty consistently. Just a little over 3 minutes. This coffee smells really good too. Right, well, this is coming to an end. Proud Hound says that it gives off flavor notes of key lime pie and passion fruit and chamomile. Here at Prima, we definitely picked up on that chamomile flavor and an acidity and really pleasant tropical sweetness that comes from the passion fruit and the key lime. So let's give it a try. It's really good. It's got a nice balance of acidity and sweetness. You can get the Nano Genji online right now at Proud Hound's website. We will drop that down in the description. And you can purchase the gear and find this recipe online at primacoffee.com. And we'll see you next time.